Hi, I'm Lithium from Instant Tech. Do you love watching game shows? Do you sit there on your couch wishing you were there instead, answering questions for money? Well, now you can do one with these apps. First one is BAZZI app from Times Internet Limited. It is a live trivia game show that rewards your curiosity, play to win, win to earn. You have to sign up on the BAZZI app, answer 11 simple questions, win real money right in your Paytm or MobiKwik wallet. Next one is HQ Trivia. As the name suggests, is an app that turns the quiz experience seen on TV shows like Jeopardy and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. The quiz goes live every day twice at 1:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time and 7:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. A host walks its audience through 12 multiple choice questions that range from easy to extremely difficult on different categories, and players get 10 seconds to answer them. Those who answer all the 12 questions right get to take the final prize money. In case there are multiple winners, the app splits the prize money across them. Next on the list is Loco. It is a live trivia game show with cash prizes. Every day at 10 p.m. sharp, weekday also at 1:30 p.m. Coming to the game, Loco conducts 50-minute quiz sessions where the participant has to answer 10 questions correctly. The questions vary from topic to topic. Next is Play Prime Time. It is another live quiz show. The game is live only twice a day. The game challenges you to answer buffering trivia questions that will have multiple choices answer options. You will have just 10 seconds to answer each question. You will win only if you answer each question correctly, and the amount will be instantly transferred to your Paytm account. Next is Live.me. Live.me is offering up its answer to one of the most popular apps of the current moment. The mobile live streaming platform has premiered QUIZBIZ, a live game show that uses the same format as the trendy quiz app HQ. The rules of QUIZBIZ are simple. Each day at 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time, viewers can attempt to answer 12 trivia questions in a row. Anyone who successfully navigates that intellectual gauntlet earns a portion of the day's prize. It is split evenly among all of the winners. Prize vary from $100 to $1,000. Players are eliminated after the very first incorrect answers, unless they are able to use extra chances which are available to those who invite their friends to the join game.
Subscribe the channel, turn on bell icon and never miss any updates.